Bermuda boasts more golf courses per capita than anywhere else in the world, and Port Royal Golf Course is one that has to be played. This fantastic track is the product of a $19 million renovation, and for years it was home to the PGA Grand Slam and the current home to the PGA Tour's Butterfield Bermuda Championship. This unique course offers dramatic elevation changes and breathtaking views of the Atlantic Ocean.
The front nine has some unique holes. The par 3 third hole is a short hole over water. Wind is a factor. The sixth is a short par 4. Driver isn't necessary. The approach is to an elevated green. Choose more club. The eighth is a mid to long iron to a green framed by the Atlantic Ocean. The back nine is a demanding test of golf. It really starts at the uphill par 4 14th. Don't be left on your drive or it's gone. The 15th is a dogleg right short par 4 that requires a well-placed tee ball. The 16th at Port Royal is an Instagram favorite. This 220-yard par 3 has the Atlantic surf crashing below. Miss right, otherwise your ball is in Davy Jones' locker. 17th is a target par 5. Forego driver on the tee and lay up for a wedge into an elevated green. 18 is a great finishing hole that is all uphill. Belmont Hills Golf Course is less than 6,000 yards, but it's probably one of the toughest 5,900-yard golf courses you'll ever play. The local Bermudians love to play here. It features elevation changes and opportunities to make birdies, but with out of bounds on every hole, big numbers await. The course is known for the devilish par 3 fourth hole measuring less than 100 yards. Don't be fooled, the 3-tiered green is brutal. The 7th hole is a good par 3 of about 175 yards. Water is on the left, OB on the right. The 8th only requires a 200-yard shot off the tee on this par 4. The approach is uphill to a small green.
The finishing holes at Belmont get all of the chatter.
17 is a downhill par 3 with a fantastic view. Club selection is a must because OB is on the left and right. The par 4 18th will make you grip the club a little tighter. It measures only 360 yards, but accuracy off the tee is a must. The green is large and protected by sand.
Two golf courses only miles apart that offer two entirely different experiences that will ensure that you have a Bermudaful day.